So this is a decibel reader that I just bought on Amazon Prime that delivered today, 1-day shipping. This exhaust right now with the Blitz Spec, straight pipe basically, because there's definitely no packing in that exhaust anymore. 110.7 decibels is the max that this thing peaked out at. Before I checked, it was at 107. Now it's at 108, and then I think when I walked by over there, it peaked at 110.7. That is freaking loud. I can't imagine what this thing is when you're going down the road at 8,000 RPM. New exhaust, baby. Hopefully it tones it down. So we just got this brand new Revel by Tanabe Medallion exhaust. Comes with a little magazine over here. Too bad it's not a FD. But this is the quietest exhaust that I could find for the FD that was in stock and could be delivered in 1 business day. I actually ordered this the day that I decided I was buying the car. So here it is. It came from Pennsylvania, so it took a day to get here. We're gonna put this bad boy on because that exhaust is just way too loud. It's just an Axleback or a Catback exhaust. It's a straightforward install. Got some nice hardware. We got 1 gasket, some bolts, some nuts, a diagram with the instructions and the part number. FD3S chassis. That's what she is. This looks like a nice piece. Not too heavy. Probably weighs about 30 pounds, give or take. It's all stainless steel. There's no titanium on this piece. Look at that. It is a straight through piece. This, it's just got a lot of packing here. Just look at the size difference in the mufflers. Not only is the muffler longer, it's wider. I wanted to measure the exhaust. This thing is 4.5 inches. There's no way. It's really the same size? This is also 4.5 inch. So we're gonna need this rusty bolt. It is off. Gotta come down. Sounds sick.